Hi, my name is Brett Johnson from Patrick Volvo Cars in Schaumburg. In these series of videos we call Quick Tips, I give you educational tutorials and quick tips on how to use various Volvo models. Today's topic is using RainSense wipers in your Volvo. It covers model 2022 XC90, XC40, S60, and V60, and most of the 21 or earlier models with the 9-inch center display. You can always use your wipers the way you always have, using the intermittent, faster, or fastest adjustments. But this car does come with RainSense wipers, and the button is located on the stalk. If you press the button located here, you'll notice that the wipers will wipe once, and you'll get a little raindrop symbol on the display showing you the system's activated. The system's just waiting for rain, snow, or ice to accumulate on your windshield before it automatically starts wiping. You can change the sensitivity of the wiping system using the collar at the end of the stalk, up being the most sensitive and down being the least. When the system has been activated, it will stay activated even when you turn on or off the ignition. It will remember the last position of the system. To turn it off, you must press the button again. You'll see the system disappear, and you obviously will not wipe unless you turn it on again or use the manual adjustments. One thing you must be aware about is if you go through an automatic car wash, to be sure to turn the system off so the wipers don't wipe in the middle of the wash. To operate the rear wiper on your Volvo, you use this button on the end of the stalk. Middle is off, up is intermittent, and down is continuous. You do have a washer system for both the rear and the front. If you push away on the stalk, it'll wash the rear wipers, and if you push towards you, it'll wash the front. Thanks again for joining us for this edition of Patrick Volvo Quick Tips. Please be sure to like us on Facebook and YouTube. You can visit us here at the dealership at 1600 East Higgins Rd in Schaumburg.
Taking care of you every day, that's the Patrick